LTC, we start with daily chart. Just want to give a quick update. And if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within here, we have been looking for buy. And I mentioned we have to see the breakout of the 67.5. With the breakout of the 67.5, we mentioned we're looking for 75, right? And as you can see, the price almost near to 75, but there was no breakout. That's why I mentioned breakout of this zone is very important for us. Okay, by the way, we get after that the price went into this one, there was no breakout, and this is what we get. Most of the chart they have, we see this kind of the move, and now we want to see what's the next. And we start with higher time frame based on monthly chart. We have nothing to discuss. The only thing is we're looking for this correction. We want to see whether the price can break this correction or not. And if we move to lower time frame weekly, now the question is what's the next? For sure, if the price break the lowest price of this correction following by divergence, it can give us better opportunity for to look for trade. And as a reversal, since most of the chart they have a similar movement, but we cannot put this move in relative to what we have here. That's why the breakout of the lowest price of this correction is not really important. Okay, that means we don't need to wait for price to break the lowest price of this before we take the next trade. That means if we get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame within the correction, we will take it. But the best option is we see the breakout of the lowest price of this correction. Anyway, because we will have a divergence based on weekly. Anyway, we move to lower time frame, and if we move to daily chart, at this point we're looking at this. If the price consolidates here for a longer time, any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. But we will look for 67.5 following by 75. We have to see the breakout of this correction. Then from there, we want to see whether we look for continuation or this one will be deep correction for the next drop. All right. That's mean at this point, any opportunity for buy based on daily or lower time frame from this correction, we will take it. And in this case, it's better we trade based on lower time frame, either 1 hour or forward chart. And even based on forward chart, we don't have any trade set up. Okay, that's mean if we move to lower time frame, if anyone wants to look for buy at this point, having entry above this can be an option. And in that case, we want to price sharply tag break and continue. If the price tag we see there is no continuation within the first or maximum second hours, we will take out the trade. But at this point, we can put this one as a correction for next move. Simply, we cannot take the trade in case this one continue and drop and tag the previous low. Anyway, having entry above this at this point can be the only option. And in this case, we just follow the chart. And if I see any update, I will share. Thanks.